Hi, I'm Artem from Volta Yachts, and we are here today at La Grande Motte Multihull show presenting Earthling E40 electric catamaran. This catamaran is 40 feet and it's fully electric, and as an extra it is equipped with range extenders. This brand is Earthling. It's coming from New Zealand, and actually the brand has deep roots. It has been started more than 25 years ago by John McGettigan, who has tons of experience, really decades of experience in constructing all kinds of boats, and including boats for competitive sailing, and he was collaborating with the New Zealand sailing team for many years, and all this wealth of experience is embodied in this boat. The company is in New Zealand. The hulls for this boat are constructed in Thailand, and then the assembly for the next hulls is going to happen in Spain. At this boat, we have several components here. By default, in the base version, it is just an electric engine. In this case, we have two electric engines, each of 50 kilowatts. So it's a quite powerful setup. It could be also smaller. It could be 30 kilowatts each. This boat is also equipped with lithium batteries. So it has four battery packs, each battery pack of 11 kilowatts. So in total, it has 44 kilowatts. In this case, this boat is also equipped with a set of range extenders. So in each hull, we have one range extender, which can generate up to 8 kilowatts per hour. So with this whole setup, we have almost unlimited range. The cruising speed is 10 knots, and the boat is so efficient that at 10 knots, you are spending something between 10 and 12 kilowatts only. After that, you can go faster if needed. You can reach up to 18 knots if you like, but the most efficient speed is 10 knots. So you can go full electric for about 4 hours at 10 knots, or if you want to go further and full electric, you can also go slower. The range extenders kick in, and then it gives you a very long range. They only spend approximately 5 liters per hour. This boat is equipped with an array of solar panels, which are currently generating up to 2 kilowatts per hour, but we are upgrading it, so we found an option to make it more efficient. We are looking to reach up to 4 kilowatts per hour, which gives us, on one hand, all the home appliances can be like at home. You don't need to buy anything specific like for a nautical purpose. All the solar energy goes to the batteries. We cannot consume that much really, and we have a fridge, we have an induction cooker. On the other hand, it also extends the range. So imagine you navigate at 10 knots, you spend somewhere between 10 and 12 kilowatts per hour. So this adds 4 kilowatts into that mix every hour, and this way it extends your range. To conclude, this boat is meant to make you enjoy your time on the water. All the systems have double or even quadruple redundancy. So in case if anything fails, you always have a backup or even more than one backup. So the overall philosophy of the boat is just set your course and enjoy the journey. You can go whenever you want. 10 knots is a really great speed to go cruising and to reach any destination. And for the day-to-day use, if it's just a day trip, 40 miles is usually more than enough. And if it's not, then the range extenders can kick in and get you a little bit more range. So the whole idea is peace of mind and enjoy the ride. And here on the boat, the whole space is open, so it's perfect for the Mediterranean. You can have the shade, but still you can arrange your space as you like. You have two cabins. In this case, one cabin is double, one single, but it could be two doubles if you like, if we sacrifice the solarium area. And this area here could also be converted into a double bed. So there's lots of bedding space, and all the spaces are really used to give you a wide space, a lot of air, a lot of sunlight, and it's a perfect setting to enjoy your time on the water.